this hackathon, the name that we choose, it's Lucas ML Challenge, and basically it's a machine learning challenge focused in land cover mapping. For this purpose, we selected the Lucas survey dataset that was funded by European Commission. So the idea for the hackathon is use this data as reference to map land cover class throughout European landscapes, but using satellite images and machine learning models.
The second hackathon we are organizing is called Modeling FAPA using data-driven approaches. FAPA is the fraction of absorbed photosynthetic active radiation, and it is one of the key parameters in light use efficiency models that aim to model primary productivity. It is a measure of vegetation health and ecosystem functioning, and it plays an important role also in the climate of our Earth. And what we want to challenge you to in this hackathon is to model FAPA and to use data-driven approaches and biophysical variables from satellite imagery. In contrast to the first hackathon, this is a regression problem we want to challenge you to. So please join us and register via the link we provided, and we hope to see you 1st of September.